Have you ever tried to meditate and then the moment you close your eyes, it's like almost there is a movie running just in front of your eyes, probably your whole life that's coming in front of you, and you're not able to concentrate? I felt exactly the same thing first time I ever tried out meditation. Hi, this is Lavanya, a public speaker, a storyteller, and an upcoming author. And I wanted to share with you the most positive side effect of this lockdown. Yes, I did try meditation once again. Thanks to a 90 days transformation program that I have joined, and it has really changed the world for me. We start off the morning, every morning at 5 o'clock, entering into a Zoom call with 60 plus people who are on the high throughout the 1.5 hours of the morning rituals. And we do everything ranging from prayer, the meditation, the goal writing, the mirror exercise, and exercises, and then celebration in the end as well. The best part of the morning rituals for me has been how meditation has really made me focus in what I wanted to do. Initially, yes, I did find it a lot difficult because, like I said, it was like a complete movie, a Bollywood movie running in front of me. But there is a saying, the more you resist, the more it persists. If you remember, when we were kids and our parents asked us not to do something, you bet that was the first thing we would ever go and do, right? Am I right? Yes. And even today, that's how we are, right? If somebody says, no, don't look at social media too many times, it is bad for something, then yes, no, I'm going to do exactly the same thing. I mean, it's just human psychology. And that's exactly how the mind works, my dear friends. So when you're meditating, and this is what I have learned from my mentor, Amol Karale, when you're meditating, if at all you get some thoughts in your mind, then just let it be. Just concentrate on your breathing, and instead of resisting it consciously, saying, oh, there should be no thoughts that's coming in, no, I don't want the thoughts, the thoughts are going to come in more and more. So instead of resisting what your thoughts are, just stay back, stay calm, relax, and only focus on your breathing. And if you cannot focus it initially, then probably start chanting Om mantra, which is a very powerful, it's nothing related to religion, but it's a very powerful mantra to chant. So this has really transformed my life. For the last 1 month, I am enrolled with him, and I'm doing this continuously without any break. And my family can see the change in me. So this is exactly what we are going to learn a little more about from the Transformation Master version 2, Pioneer of India, the first of its kind, Amol Karale, on Sunday in my talk show, which is Soul Talks with Lavanya, on Facebook at 6 p.m. on Sunday, which is the 26th of April. So if you want to know more about what's all this and how it has positively impacted so many lives across India, then please do tune into the show. And if you have any queries, please do not forget to drop in your comments here, and we shall have them answered during our interview. Thank you so much. I hope you found this useful. Bye-bye.